Hello everyone, it's time for biology now. Today we have to move on. So together we have to see the functions of the parts of the cells. This is our plant cell. Now, so all the labeled parts are the parts of plant cell, but these parts that are similar to some of the parts are very similar to the parts of the animal cell. Now, so today we have to deal with the functions of the parts of the plant cell. Now, a plant cell has chloroplast. These chloroplasts are found only in the plant cells. They are found only in the plant cells. And the function of the chloroplast is to absorb sunlight because they contain chlorophyll. Therefore, this also means that the function of the chlorophyll in the chloroplast is to absorb the sunlight. Once again, chloroplast absorb sunlight because they contain chlorophyll. Now, let's come to the cell membrane. Now, cell membrane, this is a layer after the cell wall. This membrane, it allows small substances to pass through because it is semi-permeable. It is semi-permeable because it contains small spaces for small molecules of substances to pass through. That's why it is able to allow substances, small substances to pass through. Now, so cell wall. Cell wall is found only in the plant cell, but cell membrane is also found in the animal cell. Chloroplast only in the plant cell, cell wall only in the plant cell. The cell wall, it maintains the shape. It maintains the shape of the cell, because it is made up of dead cells. Because it is made up of dead cells called cellulose. Now, so another function of the cell wall is to allow all size of molecules to pass through because it is fully semi-permeable. Now, so let's come to mitochondria. Mitochondria or mitochondrion means one. Mitochondrion is a site where respiration takes place. Is a place or a site where respiration takes place. Respiration is a process whereby glucose reacts with oxygen to release energy. Therefore, it means energy is released in the mitochondria by the process called respiration. Therefore, it means respiration takes place in the mitochondria. Now, so endoplasmic reticulum. We have rough endoplasmic reticulum as well as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now, the endoplasmic reticulum, they are responsible for production of lipids and proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, both are responsible to form lipids and proteins. Therefore, it means in the cell, lipids are manufactured in the endoplasmic reticulum. Lipids are made from glucose. The glucose which is made during photosynthesis, some of the glucose will be used to make lipids in the endoplasmic reticulum, and these endoplasmic reticulum, they also produce proteins, or they form proteins. Now let's come to the nucleus. Now, nucleus, if we say nucleus and this nucleus and nucleus. Now, the nucleus, first of all, we have to start with the nucleus. Nucleus, it controls all the cell activities. it means this nucleus is able to detect the level of any process that takes place in the cell. So it controls it so that it should be done at the right amount, or at the right speed, or at the right rate. So the nucleus controls all the cell activities. Now, so nucleolites. Nucleolites, these are in the nucleus, and these ones, they store the genetic information of the cell. They store genetic information of the cell. Now, so nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope. This is a nuclear membrane. This nuclear membrane, it protects the nuclear. It protects the nuclear, or else it covers the internal parts of the nucleus. This nuclear envelope, it protects the nuclear, or it covers the nucleus, or it protects the internal parts of the nucleus. It's all the same. Now, so ribosomes. Ribosomes, these ones, they are producing proteins by combining glucose with nitrogen, phosphorus, and calcium for proteins to be made. Ribosomes, they actually combine, they produce glucose, they produce proteins by combining glucose with proteins, calcium, and sulfur, as well as phosphorus, for them to produce proteins. Now, for today, we have to stop here. Tomorrow on the plant cell. Next time we shall actually start with the animal cell. This will be our animal cell. So you can just see that some of the parts which are in the animal cell, they are also found in the plant cell. Now, so like the LAF, endoplasmic reticulum, the nucleus, nucleolates, also the Golgi. There are so many. If you can check there are so many. Thank you very much. So actually, please, you have to go through what I gave you last time. Now you can summarize with what I have said here. Some of you haven't given me my summary. Please, you have to send me the summary. I'm actually registering those who have sent me the summary. Thank you.